I created the ID wall. It was the first creative activity of H seminar. The objective was to create an icebreaker for the participants of this project. During the preparation, I chose all the steps of this ID wall. I manage this ID wall.
Maureen created the ID wall. ID wall was an idea that we developed in Lugo, but she improved that. And what is interesting is that she imagined links between things, she imagined how to work, how to play with that as an icebreaker, so she improved a lot this, and this was a wonderful job. And in fact, H from l'École de Design is also, we create tools for young but by young, which is for me one of the core of the project, and which is for me the core of the success of this project, because we are users, we develop this with the possible users, so it's kind of co-designing tools. And I'm sure that there was not such performance of the tools without the students in. But the main impact is about the soft skills that people develop, and people could feel the importance of cooperation, of collective intelligence, of working together collaboratively. We go further, and it's what they understood, and it was the message that I have to give to them. And also the secondary message is to prove the importance of design. Design is a way of working collaboratively, and it's more than just producing. There is a philosophy beyond, and what I see is that the students, the participants, could feel it.